hookup today. Got a bunch of shit in here from Canadian Protein. If you're living in Windsor, Canadian Protein is the way to go. Alright. I need this, Derek. Look at this. Because I don't consume any greens. Gonna be making some pre-workouts. We got beta-alanine. Well, yeah, I need this too. Fuck. Superman multivitamin. I need that shit too. Oh, some citrulline malate. So we're gonna be making those pre-workouts. Some glutamine, help me recover because I get sore as fuck. Got leucine. How about that protein synthesis? Oof, HMB, what you know about that? Some good recovery. Got two things at HMB. What? I'm gonna have to look at that. Got some isolate. Chocolate peanut butter. I'm about that light. 2 chocolate peanut butters. See this shit? Third party tested. So a lot of people like to make false claims. Put bullshit in their supplements. I got the real deal here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm getting better every day.